Hey guys, it's JD from Ponzo World, and today we're unboxing and reviewing this computer speaker made by ARCHEER. Now you can find this on Amazon. Links will be down below this video if you want to go pick this thing up. So let's go ahead and start with showing you around the box. You can see here, ARCHEER, little picture of what it looks like. AS04 gaming computer speaker. Dual speakers, 3D sound effect, also has some LEDs, and it is USB powered right there. This is not Bluetooth, by the way, in case you're wondering. It plugs in, I believe, through USB or aux jack. So let's go in and open it up here. Looks like you just pull right here. And there it is. Here's the cord. Take it out here. Instruction manual is right here. And here's the actual speaker. Let's go ahead and cut this open and check it out. All right, here it is. Looks like a volume knob on the front, along with a power switch. That's what it looks like right there. Pretty basic. Little feet on the bottom. It's pretty nice. And you can see here, 3.5 millimeter aux jack and a USB port. Pretty cool. Let's go ahead and try it out. All right, so here I have the speaker plugged in, and so far I gotta say, for the price of the thing, it actually seems pretty all right. Bass seems good. It seems to get pretty loud. The only real complaint that I have is I wish it had a little bit more treble. However, you can adjust that in your phone settings if you want to. Anyways, let's go in and click play on my song here. This is one that I made years and years ago. Let's go and click play. I have it plugged into my phone right here. You kind of see it. Let's go and crank it. That's as loud as it'll go. As you can see, the volume knob is right here. That's about halfway. All the way up. I'll go a little less than all the way. Those do actually work. I can feel the air. I was going to turn it down here and pause it. So there was a quick little audio test. So far, it actually, again, seems pretty good. I wish there was a little bit more treble to it. Other than that, it actually sounds pretty good for the price point. So there it is, quick little audio test complete. Alright, so there it was, the unboxing and the review on this ARCHEER speaker. Overall, again, the thing so far seems to be working just fine. Seems to get relatively loud, has good bass. I just wish it had a little bit more treble to it. Again, other than the treble part, it seems to be good. It seems to be built, relatively good, as long as you're not dropping this thing or anything, which you shouldn't. It's just meant to stay on a desk. It should hold up just fine. Volume knob up here feels good. Of course, you turn it all the way to the right for max, or down, and it'll go to minimum, and then one more click, and it will turn off just like that. Pretty cool. Again, overall, things seem to be working just fine. So for the price of the thing, I would definitely recommend it if you're in the market for a relatively cheap gaming speaker, gaming soundbar, whatever you want to call it thing. So yeah, I guess that's really it for this video. Hope everybody enjoyed. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.